Cookery Grade 9, First Quarter. Lesson 2, Learning Outcome Number 1.3. Appetizers are foods which stimulate the appetite through their attractive appearance, fragrance, or appealing flavor. It is small pieces or portions of highly seasoned food, usually served before a meal to induce and stimulate one's appetite. It gives appreciation to the food that we eat. Appetizers is a food or drink served usually before a meal to boost the appetite. It provides a natural transition to the main course. It is also the food that fills your hunger while waiting for the main dish. It is prepared into bits and pieces to enhance the taste buds and increase the cravings for foods. They may be served in liquid or solid form, and it is important that an appetizer should be colorful, dainty, decorated, and well presented. A good appetizer, whether hot or cold, should be light and served in small quantities. Fresh vegetables and salad, fruits or meat or even fish can be made into appetizers. We will now discuss the classification of appetizers. First is the cocktails. Cocktails are usually juices of orange, pineapple, grapefruit, or tomatoes served with cold salad dressing. Cocktails may be in the form of fruit or vegetable juice mixed with little alcohol beverage, or seafood like shrimps, crabs, or lobster served with slightly seasoned sauce. Cocktails may be considered as fruit or vegetable juices with little alcohol drink or seafoods with a sauce. Hors d'oeuvre in French or hors d'oeuvre in English refers to a small portion of highly seasoned foods. It is a combination of canapes, olives, stuffed celery, pickled radishes, and fish. Hors d'oeuvre is served on individual plate when guests are seated. Sometimes this is simply placed on a platter and passed around. It is served hot or cold. Here are some examples of a very creative hors d'oeuvre. Next is the canapé. Canapé are made out of thin slices of bread in different shapes. The bread may be toasted, sautéed in butter, or dipped in a well-seasoned mixture of egg, cheese, fish, or meat, then deep pat fried. There are no set recipes for making of canapés. You may create your own combination of several different colored items on the cut pieces of bread, toasted or fried, and biscuits. There are three parts of canapé: the base, the spread or toppings, and the garnish. The following are some examples of canapés. The larger canapés are called zakouski, named after Chef Zakouski. Relishes and crudites are pickled items which are raw, crisp vegetable such as julienne carrots or celery sticks. Relishes are generally placed before the guests in slightly deep boat-shaped dish. Here are some examples of relishes and crudités. Petite salad. Petite salad are small portions and usually display the characteristic found in moss salad. Petite salad should be artistically arranged and consists of base, body, and garnish. Appetizer like Petite salad should be served in small quantity. Examples of Petite salad. Next is the chips and dips. Chips and dips are popular accompaniments to potato chips, crackers, and raw vegetables with dips. Proper consistency is important in preparation of many dips. It must not be so thick that it cannot be scooped up without breaking the chip or crackers, but it must be thick enough to stick to the items used as dippers. Here are some examples of chips and dips. Next is fresh fruits and vegetables. These are the simplest appetizers. Fruits are good appetizers because they give an attractive appearance, fragrance, appealing taste, and delicious flavor. You could serve a thinly sliced cucumbers, red bell pepper, and baby carrots. For a fruit tray, consider serving red and green grapes as well as chunks of mango with toothpicks inserted in them. Since appetizer should always easy to pick up with the fingers, it should never be drippy or messy, so you need to avoid certain fruits or vegetables. For example, chunks of watermelon are probably not the best appetizer choice. Here are some examples of attractively made fruits and vegetable appetizers. And finally, the finger foods. Finger foods are a variety of appetizers wherein the only requirement is that you keep everything small enough to be picked up with the fingers and eaten with little mess. This is Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.